All right, friends, so today we are going to go over what is perimeter again. So just as a reminder, this is our Canvas module from yesterday. And as a reminder, it says that perimeter is the measurement of the distance around a shape. So all the way around the edge of this rectangle, you see the dotted line. If we were measuring that, we would be measuring the perimeter. This next section says exactly the same thing. This is Perry, the perimeter bug, and he loves to run races around the bug racetrack. And you see he's gone all the way around. And if we wanted to find out how far Perry ran, the perimeter, we would add up all of the sides. So if this side was 5 inches, the side parallel to it would also be 5 inches. Over here, the side is 3 inches. The one parallel to that would also be 3 inches. So if we added 5 and 5, that's 10. We know 3 and 3 is 6. So 10 plus 6 gives us 16. And you see the equation here where we've added up all the sides. So today it's going to be your turn. You're going to have the opportunity to figure out the perimeter of a few different shapes. Now, I think yesterday our focus was on squares and rectangles. You can actually find the perimeter of any shape. And so we're going to focus on our polygons and our straight-sided figures for now. And we're going to start today with this rhombus. As you can see on this rhombus, all the measurements are already written there. Now, this particular one is written in feet. Another one we're going to do, I have a triangle here. This one is written in centimeters. And this one is written in inches, okay? So it really does not matter what type of measurement was used as long as the measurements are the same all the way around. So all of these were done in inches. For this figure, it was all measured in centimeters. This figure was all measured in feet. Okay, so I'm going to move these out of the way for now so we can focus on just this one. Again, for the perimeter, all we're going to do is add up the sides of each side. So this one is 9 feet plus 9 feet plus 9 feet plus 9 feet. This is some repeated addition. To be sure, this is not the first time you've seen repeated addition this year, right? All right, so how do we figure out what the perimeter is? You simply add it up. I know that 9 and 9 is 18. This is also 18, but I need to add these together. Any ideas on what that might be? 18 and 18. If I start with my ones, 8 and 8, that's 16. Let me bring my 1 to my tens. That's 3 tens. The answer is 36. The perimeter is 36. Remember, we have feet. 36 feet is the perimeter. So we could do P for perimeter equals 36 feet here. All right, let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at this triangle. For the triangle, this time we're measuring in centimeters. Again, it doesn't matter because they're all measured in centimeters. To add up or to figure out the perimeter, we're simply going to add these numbers as well. So 6 plus 4 plus 5 is going to give us the perimeter. 6 and 4 is 10. 10 plus 5, that is 15. And this time we're doing centimeters. It is 15 centimeters. P, perimeter, equals 15 centimeters. Okay. Let's try one more of these. This time, oh, what is that shape? Okay, a lot of my friends would say it's upside down. It doesn't really matter whether it's upside down or not. Okay, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. It's a pentagon. All right, and this time our pentagon is measured in inches. So we've got 5, 7, 8, 8, and 7 inches. I like to put my matching numbers together. And if it helps you, if you have this on paper, to mark them out as you go or draw a little line under to make sure you get all the numbers in your equation, that's fine. 8 and 8 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5. And that's going to give us our perimeter. So we'll have all of those numbers in there. 5 sides, I should have 5 numbers to add. I like to put my matching numbers together because I know my doubles. 8 and 8, that's 16. 7 and 7 is 14. but I'm not done. I've got to make sure I add up all of these, okay? 16 plus 14, 6 and 6 makes a 10. That's 30. Plus my 5, I got to bring him down, plus 5. 30 plus 5 is 35. So my perimeter here is 35 inches. P for perimeter equals 35 inches. Okay? Now, these weren't so bad because the numbers were provided for us, but occasionally you may see some that look like this. You may have some shapes that are on grid paper. Okay, and there are no numbers. So what do? We're going to use these lines on our grid paper, and each one is going to be 1 unit of measurement. Okay, so that's 1 unit of measurement. This is 1 unit. And we don't know here if it's inches or centimeters. It doesn't matter. So we're just going to call them units. Okay, so we're going to count here. How many do we have across the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Let me grab something that you might be able to see on this grid paper. 6 square units here, or 6 units here. So across it, I know, because this is a square, that my opposite side is going to be equal and parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really didn't even need to count that because I know it's going to be the same. All right, let's look down this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And of course, this side will also be 6. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So for this one, again, to find the perimeter, we're simply adding up all of the sides. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 will give us our perimeter. 6 and 6 is 12. Another 6 and 6 is 12. Let's add those up. We get 24. Okay. The perimeter of this shape was 24. All right, let's try one more. Again, this is just another square. Maybe it's a rectangle. Let's find out. We're just going to count up the number of blocks we see all the way around the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side's probably 6. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then going down the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this side's probably 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And again, to find the perimeter, we're going to add up all of those numbers. 6 and 6 plus 5 plus 5. 6 and 6, as we said earlier, is 12. 5 and 5 is 10. We still have to add those numbers together to get our perimeter. 12 plus 10 is 22. So our perimeter is 22. So now you're going to have a chance to go in and find the perimeter for some shapes or polygons that are on grid paper, and you will also find some where the measurements are already done for you. So if you get over there and you're working on these and you get confused, hop back over and take a look at this video again.